Kurti 50A apartment building by Aline Hielscher Architektur in Leipzig, Germany. The property is located in the south of Leipzig, a district characterized by housing out of the late 19th and early 20th century. The district is structured by a main street axis, which stretches from the center to the south of the city with numerous bars, cafés, and stores. The Kurt-Eisner Street crosses the main street and functions as an important link between the western and eastern districts. The residential buildings at Kurt-Eisner Street 50, a 6-story building in the front and a 5-story building in the courtyard, were built in 1889. During World War II, the courtyard building was destroyed. Our new building is constructed on the footprint of the pre-war building and is accessed via a passageway in the front building. The design includes 6 stories, with the first floor designed purely as an access floor for the apartments and to accommodate the necessary parking spaces above ground. As a result of the gross floor area of 148 square meters, only one apartment per floor is developed. The district is particularly popular with families and flat-sharing communities, for whom there is often a lack of affordable living space. The 126 square meters 5-room apartments at Kurt-Eisner Straße 50A are therefore designed for this target group. Thanks to a very efficient floor plan, up to 5 people can live here. The heart of the flats is the 50 square meters living and dining room, which extends from north to south. It generously provides natural light. A uniform metal cladding of the facades creates a homogeneous shell that always presents itself differently with changing weather and lighting conditions. Although this material is not found in the immediate surroundings, the building blends in naturally. It is different, without competing with the existing buildings. The clip system of the curtain facade makes it possible to dismantle the material circularly.